Hello everyone, Dave Cook DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are doing another accent wall. Here is the paper information. This is a grass cloth, and it is dark blue. And just like every other grass cloth, you see the seams, you can see them right there, the panels. And this is where costing to do an accent wall, sometimes it's just as costly as doing a whole room, because certain things like we're not just priming the wall, but we're putting a base color on there. So if you have a white wall, in this case gray, if the seams aren't completely straight, we're not cutting the paper, you can't cut the paper, it's like a grass cloth rayon, so you cut it at frays, so it's made to go up and be paneled. So just the imperfections in the wall, sometimes you can have, the thin slice of a paper, that thin of a seam on there, but it's white, it shows right through. So one of the things is, aside from wall prep, putting a solid base color primer on there, and then once we're hanging the grass cloth, it goes up really nice. You don't see the seams. There's our wallpaper table. Nice, clean, dry. This wallpaper, we've hung it before, and the bad thing about it is you touch it, you turn blue. If you get paste on the front and try and get it off, the blue will come off also. So it's really important when you're laying the paper down. We've got our pieces pre-cut. So as you're laying them and gluing them, put the paper right up to the edge of the table. Just put a little bit of overlap. Paste this whole piece, book it, bring the other piece over, book it, and go right to the wall. Doesn't need to sit, stand, rest, anything. As soon as it's glued, we're going right to the wall. Just a couple tricks. What we're doing, clean. If you got rubber gloves are always a nice thing to wear on there, because then you don't have blue dye on your hands all day. If you have other questions about wallpaper, grass cloth installation, give us a call. DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. Love to help you. Love the space you're in.